our hands clasped so tight, waiting for the end of a spark. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the notes on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you in your soul and body,